Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new lecture. In today's lecture we are going to discuss the topic which is unit number 5.3 and the topic is research in teachers education. In earlier lectures we discussed that teacher education in global perspective, national professional standards for teachers, and in today's lecture we are going to discuss research in teacher education. From this lecture our unit number 5 also completed. Then we only left one unit which is unit number 6 and trends and issues in teacher education in Pakistan. Today we are going to start our lecture which is research in teacher education. रिसर्च बेसिकली हम देखना चाहते हैं कि टीचर एजुकेशन में रिसर्च है क्या. अब रिसर्च जो है वो हर फील्ड में है, हर लाइफ के आप कह सकते हैं कि हर डिसिप्लिन में है, हर फैकल्टी में है, हर आप कह लो कि हर सब्जेक्ट में रिसर्च है. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम लोगों का फोकस रिसर्च इन टीचर एजुकेशन क्यों है? बिकॉज आप देख सकते हो कि टीचर इज़ द प्रोफेशन विच शेप्स अदर प्रोफेशंस. सो जिस वक्त हम टीचर एजुकेशन पे बात करते हैं तो हम उन इंडिविजुअल्स पे बात करते हैं जो कि टीचिंग को एज अ प्रोफेशन लेके चलते हैं and they have a capability or ability to do a better teaching than other persons, and they have an ability to pursue teaching as a better career than others. जब हम टीचर एजुकेशन को डिस्कस करते हैं तो एजुकेशन का ऑलरेडी जब हमने डिस्कस किया था व्हाट इज़ एजुकेशन, व्हाट आर देयर ब्रांचेज एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई हैव डिस्कस. और रिसर्च को भी मैं ऑलरेडी अपना लेक्चर जो है वो इसका पूरा सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट कर चुकी हूँ कि रिसर्च क्या है, रिसर्च की कितनी टाइप्स हैं, उनका यूजेज कहाँ है, उसके अंदर each and everything I have discussed in a lot of time and I have discussed in very deep and detailed with you all of you. Research in a teacher education is a critical aspect of improving the quality of teaching and learning in education system. Teacher education research encompasses a wide range of topics and methodologies, all aimed at enhancing the effectiveness of teacher preparation, professional development and classroom practice. Here are some key aspects and areas of research in teacher education. नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग के हम लोगों के रिसर्च टीचर एजुकेशन में हम किस चीज़ पे बात करते हैं, हम टॉपिक्स पे बात करते हैं, हम मेथोडोलॉजीज पे बात करते हैं. ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू टीच अदर पर्सन, सो वी हैव डिस्कस मेथोडोलॉजीज इन डिटेल. So pedagogical method. What are pedagogical method? Pedagogical methods are the methods that are used to teach the topic, are used to teach the subject to others. किसी भी चीज़ को पढ़ाने का, किसी टॉपिक को पढ़ाने के लिए जो हम मेथड यूज़ करते हैं वो पेडागोजिकल मेथड है. इट इंक्लूड्स योर लेक्चर मेथड्स, इट इंक्लूड्स योर हैंड्स ऑन एक्टिविटीज़, इट इंक्लूड्स योर demonstration method, it includes your role play method. All of the methods that are used to teach in the subject or topic are included in pedagogical methods. So research in this area explores innovating teaching methods and strategies that can be employed in teacher education programs to prepare educators effectively. These include investigating the impact of various pedagogical approaches on teacher candidates' learning and their future teaching practices. Then teacher preparation programs. Research examines the structure, content and effectiveness of teacher education program including traditional university-based programs, alternative certification routes and online teacher education. Researchers may investigate which elements of these programs contribute most to teaching readiness. Then teacher identify and development. Understanding how teacher development their professional identify and grow throughout their careers in their central focus of research in teacher education. This involves examining the role of mentoring, induction programs and online professional development. Next is inclusive education. Research in inclusive education explores strategies for preparing teachers to work effectively with diverse student population, including students with disabilities, English language learners, and those from diverse cultural backgrounds. Then technology integration. With the increasing use of technology in education, research investigates how teacher education programs can best equip teachers to integrate technology into their teaching practices and enhance students' learning. Then assessment and evaluation. Research explores effective methods for assessing teacher candidates' skills and knowledge during their teacher education program. Additionally, it examines the impact of teacher evaluation system on teachers' development and performances. Then teacher beliefs and attitudes. Understanding teachers' beliefs and attitudes about teaching and learning is essential. Research explores how these beliefs influence classroom practices and how they can be shaped and developed through teacher education. Then teacher retention and attrition. Investigating the factor that contributes to teacher retention and attrition is crucial for improving teacher education program. Research examines the challenges that new teachers face and strategies for retaining experienced educators. Then professional learning communities. Research in this area explores the role of professional learning communities in teacher development. It investigates how collaborative learning among teachers can improve the instructional practices. Then policy and reforms. Research in teacher education often addresses the impact of education policies and reforms on teacher preparation and professional development. Research examines how policy changes influence teacher education program and teaching practices. Then teachers' well-being. Understanding the well-being of teachers is essential. Research investigates the factors that contribute to teachers' stress and burnout and explores strategies for promoting teachers' well-being. Then global perspective. As education becomes increasingly globalized, research in teacher education may also focus on international comparisons, cross-cultural perspectives, and the exchange of best practices among countries. Research in teacher education is an ongoing and dynamic field with the goal of improving the quality of education by ensuring that teachers are well prepared, adaptable, and effective in meeting the diverse needs of the students. The findings from teacher education research often inform policy decisions, curriculum development, and the practices of teacher educators and teachers themselves.